2 years ago, I made this video talking about how to set up and use Braille Screen Input, and I demonstrated in that video how to use it with the different modes at the time, which were screen away mode, tabletop mode, and then also connecting a Braille display. But I didn't talk about a fourth mode because at the time I didn't know it existed. And I'm not sure if it's a newer feature, I haven't figured that out, but in this video, I wanted to show you how to use Braille Screen Input in one-handed mode. So let's get started. Alright, first of all, there are a couple of variants for one-handed mode, and I'm going to show you where you can set this up in settings. So go ahead and open up settings, scroll down to accessibility, and then tap on VoiceOver. And in here, you're going to find Braille. You're going to want to tap on Braille Screen Input, and then scroll down to the section that says one-handed mode. And right now I've got it set to right hand because I will be using my right hand to type, but you can switch it to left-handed, or you can use these two other modes, which are slate and stylus, and I will show you how this one works as well. While in Braille Screen Input, you have to hold your phone vertically in order to enter into one-handed mode. And you'll notice there are only 3 dots showing. And you're probably thinking, well, how do you type in Braille then? Because Braille is made up of 6 dots per cell. In one-handed mode, you type half of the cell at a time. And what I mean by that is, if you want to type out, say, the letter H, you'll have to type out dots 1 and 2 first, and then dot 5. H. As you notice there, the dots change from 1, 2, and 3 to 4, 5, and 6 after I tapped the first half of the cell. Now, if you only need to use the first half of the cell, for example, if you want to type a comma, which is dot 2, how do you move to the next cell? Well, you just swipe over 1. Now, if you need to access just the second half of the cell to type, for example, a capital sign, swipe over to the right once while on dots 1, 2, and 3. Dot 6. To make a space, swipe to the right twice. Space. If you make a mistake, swipe to the left to delete whatever you made. Dot 3. You can swipe up or down to access suggested words. Use 2 fingers and swipe right to move to a new line. If slate and stylus is set up, you tap 1 dot at a time. H. E. L. L. O. Space. Hello. And that's how to use Braille Screen Input with one-handed mode on your iPhone or iPad. Dot 6.